Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add neon effect on text in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our heading H1. So we are going to create neon effect on this text. Now go to Elementor page. So this is our heading. Now click on content and then you see HTML tag H1. So we are going to add custom CSS. Go to advanced again and then scroll down, you see custom CSS. So click on it. Again scroll down. So we are going to add custom CSS and you will find this custom CSS in video description or in comment section. Now you see colon root glow. So you can add color according to requirement. So this is a glow effect and then you see selector H1. So you can add HTML adding tag according to requirement. So we are using H1 and then you see text shadow 10px glow. So you can adjust this number according to requirement and then click on publish. Now publish done. So this is a glow effect on text. Now go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see neon effect added on text in Elementor WordPress using custom CSS and you will find all CSS in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.